Hello ladies and gents, in this video I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of how to use the sweep tool in Onshape. The sweep tool is really good for making smooth curved shapes like pipes or rails, and you can see here I have two sketches. Sketch 1 is a circle, so I've created a face that I'm going to sweep along the path that I've created in Sketch 2, and then when I use the sweep tool what I get is this 3D model here. So start by creating your own project and then go to the front plane. Click the sketch button and add a sketch to the front plane. Now go to the center point circle tool and create a circle on that center line of the front plane. Any size is okay, but if you want to add a dimension to it you can. So the size of this one is 1.57 centimeters in diameter. So I'll just hit enter there to accept that. And then I'm going to call this sketch circle and then hit the green check mark. Then I'm going to rotate the camera and hit the right of the view cube, and now I'm going to add a sketch to the right plane. Now let's select the 3-point arc. And you can see on the right plane, you can see the faint outline of the circle I've drawn, and I can highlight the center of that circle. So if I click that point to put the first point of my 3-point arc, and then click again, and then a third click once I'm happy with the curvature of that curve, and then give that a name. So I'm just going to call this sketch curve, and then hit the green check mark. And now if I just rotate the camera, you can see there I've got the circular face and the path that I want that to follow. So all I'm going to do now is click on the sweep button in the top left hand of the screen, and then it'll say faces and sketch regions to sweep. So I'm going to click on the face of the circle and then sweep path. I'll click that. So click on the red box and then click on the path, so it'll be highlighted when you hover the mouse over it. Click that and the sweep tool will create your three-dimensional object. And when you're happy with that, all you need to do is hit the green check mark. Now if I go back to the right plane, I can go back into the curve sketch. So if I double click that to open it, I can continue that path and add more to the 3D model using the sweep tool. So if I just click on the spline tool and then go to the end of my curve, and I'll just create a curved line coming away from the end of that. There we go, like that. And then what I will do is I will just press the escape key to cancel out of that tool. I'll go to the tangent tool, and then I'll just click on the first path and the second path to make them tangent, so one follows on perfectly from the other. There we go. And then I will hit the green check mark to complete that sketch. And now all I need to do is show the curve again, like that. So just click on the eye in the feature tree. And all I'm going to do now is hit the sweep tool again. And then I can click on faces or regions to sweep. So I can click on the face of that tube that I created. And then the sweep path, I can follow on like that. So that's my second sweep there. And then if I'm happy with that, I can click on the green check mark, and there we go. Now, one last thing I'll show you before I finish this video is I'm just going to delete that sweep 2. What I can do, rather than create two separate sweeps, is go back into sweep 1, and then where it says edge of curve, I can click on that and click on this line again and put them all in the same sweep. So you've got that option as well. And then click the green check mark to apply, and that gives us the same result, only in one sweep instead of two. And that's it. So that's how you use the sweep tool. Very easy. Play around with it yourself and see what you can create.